We are in heart of Istanbul, Beşiktaş, with one of the Babacan's most beautiful projects. And we have Miss Mina with us. How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm so good and doing well, and I'm so happy to have you all here.
As I mentioned at the beginning, heart of the Istanbul, Beşiktaş. So now I want you to tell me that why Beşiktaş is like the central and the heart of the Istanbul, and about the lands. Why lands in here are so valuable, so rare to find?
Yeah, exactly right. I want to mention that we are in the most valuable land in Istanbul. We are exactly so near to the Bosphorus in the A zone of Istanbul and one of the prime location of Istanbul, Beşiktaş. And after the nearest to the Bosphorus, let me explain that we have the special and easy access to all key part of the city. And after that, I also want to mention that the soil strength in this area is so high and it has a grade B classification, which is very important in terms of earthquake. So all of this has increased the demand in the area, but the land is very limited here. So we can say repeatedly that we are in the most valuable land in Istanbul.
Exactly.
Yeah, and actually, let me add something. We have, in addition to all this, we actually have a special advantage here in
what is that?
yeah, especially in this project. We have Airbnb license here. Yeah.
Did we hear it right?
Yeah.
Airbnb. Did you mention Airbnb?
Yeah, Airbnb.
That can be a very positive point for our clients.
Exactly right.
Can we have like more information about Airbnb?
For sure. Our project is perfectly suitable for Airbnb. And we have license for that.
License.
Yeah, we have a license for that. And actually, we are right located between two five-star hotels. And after that, we are. I'm gonna mention that we are also surrounded by the other five-star hotels, biggest and famous five-star hotels in this location. And in our lobby, we have concierge service as well, which gives your client a lot of comfort and convenience for Airbnb. And this location, this area exactly, and our project will have a very high rental income.
This is
Very
really
high
a
rental
good
income. Your
point.
client can rent out the unit on Airbnb and earn a very high rental income in dollars.
That's great. I mean, that's such a good like option for those who are looking for investment in this area.
Yeah.
That was nice. So in this case, that as you have Airbnb option as well in here, and it's in Beşiktaş, the one main thing that comes to my mind, and I want to ask that, how is the access to the transportation in here? As you know, in Airbnb situations, so people will like to go to the around Istanbul. So what's the transportation
Actually, we are in the touristic and most central location of Istanbul, and there's no need to use a car here because we are right between two metro stations as well as two metrobus stations, just 5 to 10 minutes walking distance. And for example, from the Gayrettepe metro station, you can get directly access to the new airport of Istanbul just in 20 minutes. Just in 20 minutes. And after that, I'm gonna mention that we are surrounded by the biggest and famous shopping mall centers such as Zolu Center, just 10 minutes walking distance, and Trump Tower, cities Nişantaşı, and Astoria, and the Cevahir shopping mall center, just 5 minutes walking distance. Yeah.
So let's wrap this beautiful conversation with the last one question that I have in my mind is, what's the current construction status of this project, and also how do you ensure that you will stay on schedule?
the difficult piece of the excavation has been done, and now we are working on the commercial floors and the first of the commercial floors, and after that whole of the structure will be completed after 4 months, and we are going to delivery in the first half of the 2027, and I want to mention this, that Babacan Holding is a trusted company, very well known and reliable company, and it has 23 years of experience in the construction, and also we already now have 6 different project, all of the Istanbul, active project all over the Istanbul, and this is the first time in Beşiktaş. And finally, I have a very, very good news for your client. Let me show you the good news. Our title deed is ready and in our hands, and there's no any problem for starting the citizenship process for all our units.
Now, with all these good news that you give to us, so what's that special offer for Mulk clients?
Oh, let me explain that. Now we are running a new campaign with just 35% down payment as a down payment and 24 months installment, flexible installment payment plan.
Thank you so much. Thank you
you're
for the
welcome.
information that
You're
you shared
welcome.
with us. Thank you for the conversation. Everything was so nice to hear the
You're welcome.
positive point, to hear about your project. Thank you so much, Ms.
And
Nina.
I'm many thanks for coming here, and you're welcome, dear, and have a very, very lovely day.
Thank you so much.
You're
I'm sure
welcome.
this was interesting for you guys as well. So if you have any further question, contact Mulk. Thank you so much.